Hey, this is John. This is my very first unboxing of a tail. This particular tail came from FinFun, which is based in Idaho. The tail color is Arctic blue. Oh man, I just can't wait to open it. Well, here we go. Oh man. Oh, the heck you. Oh. Okay, I figured it out. Oh man. I waited at least 2 weeks for this. And I'm glad it's finally here. Oh man. Oh man. It looks awesome. Yeah, let's see. There we go. The moment of truth. Actually looking at the tail itself. Oh wow. Now this is awesome. Really, this tail is awesome looking. Oh, perfect. Exactly what is that's correct. Oh man. I don't know what to say about this, but this looks awesome. Thank you. I hope you liked this video. It's my first one. Well, have a great day and swim hard.